Patio door installation in Sumter, SC is a crucial service for homeowners looking to enhance their living spaces. With a variety of options available, including sliding glass doors and French doors, residents can find the perfect fit for their homes. Patio doors. Sumter contractors offer expert installation services to ensure a seamless and efficient process. Energy-efficient patio doors in Sumter are becoming increasingly popular due to their ability to reduce energy costs. These doors are designed to keep homes comfortable year-round, making them a smart investment for any homeowner. Patio door companies in Sumter, South Carolina provide a range of energy-efficient options to suit different needs and preferences. Custom Patio Doors Sumter, SC, allow homeowners to personalize their entryways. Whether you prefer vinyl patio doors or aluminum patio doors, there are numerous styles and designs to choose from. Patio door showrooms in Sumter offer a wide selection of custom options to help you create the perfect look for your home. Patio door replacement in Sumter is essential for maintaining the functionality and appearance of your doors. From fixing patio door locks to replacing patio door glass, local experts provide comprehensive replacement services. Patio door maintenance in Sumter ensures that your doors remain in top condition for years to come. Double-pane patio doors in Sumter offer enhanced insulation and noise reduction. These doors are ideal for homeowners looking to improve their home's energy efficiency and comfort. Patio door estimates in Sumter, SC can help you determine the cost of upgrading to double-pane options. Patio door hardware in Sumter, SC includes a variety of components such as handles, locks, and hinges. Choosing the right hardware is essential for both functionality and aesthetics. Patio door companies in Sumter, South Carolina offer a wide range of hardware options to complement your door style. Patio door screens in Sumter provide an additional layer of protection against insects and debris. These screens are available in various materials and designs to suit different needs. Patio door services in Sumter, SC include screen installation and replacement to keep your home comfortable and pest-free. Patio door weatherproofing in Sumter, SC is crucial for protecting your home from the elements. Proper weatherproofing helps prevent drafts and water damage, ensuring your doors remain durable and efficient. Patio door contractors in Sumter offer expert weatherproofing services to safeguard your investment. Patio door styles in Sumter range from traditional to contemporary, allowing homeowners to find the perfect match for their home's architecture. Popular styles include sliding glass doors and French doors, each offering unique benefits. Patio door brands in Sumter, South Carolina provide a variety of options to suit different tastes and budgets. Patio doors Sumter cost can vary depending on the type, material, and features you choose. It's important to consider factors such as energy efficiency and durability when determining your budget. Patio door sales in Sumter, SC offer competitive pricing and deals to help you find the best value for your investment.